Actually, ano kami, complete opposite of each other. Extrovert ako, introvert siya. Mabait ako, siya hindi. Joke lang.
Senior high kami, nung una ko siyang nakilala, grade 11 sa Lasal, Cavite. Yes. Magkaklase po kami.
I wanna stay with you every night. You and me underneath the lights. I'm always good when you're by my side. I know you're on my mind. You really make me come alive. I wanna be here for the rest of my life. Looking for sun rays, needing them good days. Fly me away, away. You're my holiday.
Tayo? Wag.
Aray ko. Look. Yeah. Bakit magaling tinatanong mo?
You just know, when she's the one. Parang nakikita mo na mahalaga ka sa kanya and she also cares about you. And alam mo na you wanna spend the rest of your life with her.
Actually, parang ang bilis nung 7 years. Nung almost 7 years, ngayong nakatayo ako ngayon dito. So parang ang bilis niyang nangyari. Tapos nadaanan kami ng pandemic. And then we went to college together. And then nakapasa kami ng boards together. So parang while building our dreams, kasabay yon nung pag-build namin ng foundation ng relationship namin.
Malayo-layo pa, pero malayo na. Ayan.
You really make me come alive. I wanna be here for the rest of my life. Looking for sun rays, needing them good days. Fly me away.
Si P, okay naman, chill lang kasi kami eh. So sa kanya ko nahanap yung boy best friend, ganon. So yes, magka-relationship kami, pero it's more on, nakikita ko sa kanya is best friend ko talaga siya. Nandyan kapag kailangan ko or kahit di ko kailangan, nandyan pa din.
Sunshine, ice cold drinks till the moonlight.
Hala, huwag kayo umiyak! Hindi iyak for today!
Ice cold drinks till
Babe, ready ka na ba? And I can't wait to see you. And I just want to let you know na I love you so much. And I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
Kasi siya talaga yung home ko eh, parang ganun. So pag kasama ko siya, feeling ko, ang home kasi safe place natin lagi, right? So kapag kasama ko siya, ganun yung pakiramdam ko. Para akong nasa loob ng bahay ko.
Sa unang salyak sa iyong mukha ay alam ko agad na kailangan ng pamagat.
Hawakan na natin sa bibig. Oh, maling.
Sa bawat ngiti ng iyong mata ay nahulog ako sa mundong umiikot sa'yo.
Oh my gosh,
Na
umulan!
para ba walang
Marriage in this country means the union of two unique people, voluntarily and to live together a fruitful life exclusively. It is a solemn union to provide the love and friendship, help and comfort to each other. Iyo, did you come here on your own free will to bind yourself in love and service of your wife?
I do.
Tio Andre Hegaloho, wear this ring as a sign of my love and loyalty.
bawat yugto ng kwentong sinusulat ko. Mapapangako sa'yo, walang hanggang pagmamahal ibibigay ko. Hanggang sa pagtanda aalalay sa'yo, magtiwala ka lang, mahal ko.
Okay, actually tawag ni Papa kay Pio was anak. Diba? So gusto niya, tawag niya kay Pio is anak. And then tawagin din daw siyang Papa. And then I remember parang sinabihan din kasi ni Papa si Pio na dapat daw damihan namin yung anak namin kasi parehas kaming isang anak lang. Ayun.
Mong dala, napapatanong na ako kung
Babe, today, I stand before you knowing one thing with complete certainty. You are my home and my person.
Babe, ever since Papa died, you may not realize this, but ikaw yung ginamit ni Lord para punuin yung pagmamahal na akala ko nawala na sa akin.
kulang, hindi magkukulang ang pagmamahal ko sa'yo. Sana'y ikaw at ako sa dulo ng pahina ng aking libro, kasama kang maglalakbay sa bawat yugto.
I could stand here and thank you for loving me, but more than that, I want to thank you for showing me how I've always deserved to be loved.
I admire your heart, your mind, and the way you choose love every single day. Promise ko na magiging mabuting asawa ko sa'yo. We love you with patience, loyalty, and respect in every season of our life.
Mahal ko, kahit tagal hinintay ang araw na to na makita kang naglalakad at patungo ng altar.
Through you, He reminded me that even painful things are still part of His perfect plan.
And to our future little ones, I promise to be the best father I can be. Papakita ko sa kanila what kindness, faithfulness, and real love look like through the way I live my life with you.
I could thank you for fixing me, but instead, I want to thank you for showing me I was never broken. It was walking into a house and suddenly realizing I was already home.
Pangako sa'yo, walang hanggang pagmamahal ibibigay ko, hanggang sa pagtanda aalalay sa'yo.
I love you, always and forever. My 2019 plot twist, my best friend, my answered prayer, and now my husband. Love you.
I promise to keep choosing you when we're old and gray, when our steps become smaller, and when life looks different from today. I will still look at you and see the beautiful person I fell in love with, always and forever.
And Iyo Andre, you may now kiss the bride, Jan J.